Shark NV360 Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum. Full review. If you need a vacuum that delivers strong cleaning power on carpets and hard floors while staying easy to maneuver, the Shark NV360 Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum is a solid option. This model combines powerful suction, smart design, and pet-friendly features in a sleek blue finish. Power and floor performance. The NV360 features multi-surface powerful suction that deep cleans carpets and effectively handles bare floors. With the brush roll shutoff, you can instantly switch from aggressive carpet cleaning to gentle hard floor cleaning without scattering debris. Lift-away design and maneuverability. Its 2-in-1 lift-away functionality lets you detach the pod with the push of a button. This makes it easy to clean under furniture or tackle above-floor areas like stairs, upholstery, and shelves. Swivel steering provides excellent control, allowing smooth movement around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. Allergen control and pet hair. The anti-allergen complete seal technology works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum, helping maintain cleaner indoor air. For pet owners, the included upholstery tool makes removing pet hair from furniture fast and effective. Capacity, maintenance, and accessories. The large 0.9-quart dust cup supports longer cleaning sessions and empties quickly in seconds. Filters are easy to maintain. Simply rinse under running water, squeeze out excess water, and air dry for 24 hours. The vacuum includes both an upholstery tool and crevice tool for detailed cleaning. Final verdict. Overall, the Shark NV360 Navigator Deluxe Upright offers strong suction, excellent maneuverability, reliable allergen control, and versatile cleaning for homes with pets. For current pricing and availability, check the product link in the description and pinned comment.